Put it now.
Uncompleted building. The only thing they do in this uncompleted building is bad. This uncompleted
We are not informed too. Continue.
Oh, no.
The reason why I called you back, because your parent has paid your school fees. Imagine school resumed yesterday, your parents have paid today. I don't want you to join bad gangs. I don't want you to join bad gangs. Principal, sure, sir. I find out that you are not here. Where are you coming from? Principal, you know school just dismissed. So students were going home. I was greeting people, So I saw these two students. From the look on their eyes, I knew something was wrong. Because Mama just told me to follow them. Because I saw the way they were doing kurukere waka. And I followed them. Principal, if you know what my eyes saw today. But I'm warning you of bad gang. Principal, I'm sure they went there to do something. As I'm talking to you now, they are there. Hey, these are the students that is dragging the name of this my school down on the mud. Before I left them, they were already removing clothes. I said, hey, let me come and call you and tell you. Come and show me. These are the students that is spelling the name of this school. When you be going home. Be going home. Good night, sir. Be going home. Good night.
We get the principal way today like to discipline. If you fuck up, you collect. Students, they teach teachers. They know some people cool inside with school. If you follow
I saw them with my 2 eyes. I hope you are not joking with me, because you are playing with your work. See, if these children are not doing bad things inside here, don't pay me salary for 2 months. Okay. I saw them with my eyes.
You go laugh, you go tire. You go be like say na jazz. You know they too for time.
God will see us.
Use the nylon now. Should you brought the nylon? Put it now.
Is it not too tight?
And it's paining. No, it's paining.
I didn't see anything.
It's not still. Yeah, just
Child.
I'm not seeing anything.
You're not seeing anything?
Yeah.
Let me go to the back.
Don't wasting time now. Be fast now. She is entering now.
He's entering.
Oh.
That enter, sure? Yes, it is entering now.
Yeah, put it well now.
I'm trying.
Go
now.
through the back now.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, Shebi is entering now. He's entering.
This
Shebi
world
is
can be
entering.
something else.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
This one is reading. And he's wearing shoe. What did you say they are doing?
I saw them when they were going. What are you people saying doing this uncompleted building?
But he's just testing out the shoes he got from me.
I just bought the shoe from her and I'm trying to test it before paying.
Okay, you bought the shoe.
And that is the end of your 2 months salary. Jesus!
Oh, wow.
So you people cannot tell shoe in public, or you cannot tell shoe quietly. What is entering? He's telling me not very.
Let this boy suffer for 600 years in your life.